Time for makeup! Yay! Come here, like this. Right. Huh? Oh my gosh! Oops. Look at her! What a mess!
Well, for me, you look great.
What? No way! Aw, cute!
Wanna go out?
No way! Let's go. Snack time! Yum! I'm starving! Huh? Sharing? Sure, go ahead. You'll regret that! Oh no! You didn't leave any? That was tasty. Huh? I'm breaking out! Oh my. Oh no! I have a date with Steve! What now? Oh, got an idea! Whoa! What's that? Your new mask. Huh? Hold still. Alright, let's try. Start with the nose, like this. Good thing I can breathe. Relax, you'll be fine. Now the cheeks and eyes. Like this. Don't move. Perfect. Let's cover the chin. And mouth, too. Cool. Now time for makeup. Add some blush. Now the brows. And let's do the eyes. Lashes next. And those lips. Done! Actually, I kinda like it. Awesome! Date time! Well, let's do this. Hi, Steve.
Wow!
How are you?
You look amazing!
Aw, thanks.
Ready to go?
No makeup in class, young lady! What? Oh no!
Out! Kids these days.
Not fair. But I've got an idea. I'm back. Can I come in?
First, a quick check.
Okay.
How dare you fool me! I warned you! Say bye to your makeup!
No! You'll see.
Huh? Come back here! What a lucky day! What was that?
Must be nothing. Brilliant plan! Almost there. Whoa! Oh no! Oh! What happened?
Nice try.
Oh, you're mean.
What?
Oh, nothing. Now what? Oh, I got it. Just swipe some lipstick on my tongue. Like this. Done. It's me again.
Looks like you learned. Go on in.
Thanks.
I'm the best guard.
Phew, finally. Time for some lips. Huh? There. Pretty. No way! How did you sneak lipstick? Like this. Cool! Can I use it too? Sure. Let me show you how to rock these eyes. Steve will love it. Huh? So glad to see you.
Missed you too.
No way! Did you see that? Huh? He's flirting with her! Why did he do that? You messed up here. Oh no, it won't come off! Ah! Oh my gosh! Come here. Like this. Be quiet. Cover my mouth. Shh. Oh, check this mark. Whoa! I've got an idea! Hold still. Like that.
Wow, I gotta show Mom.
Nice! Now stick it on. Peel it off. And done! Wow, cool! Easy peasy. Let's do it right this time.
Wow, gorgeous! Hi, wanna date me?
In your dreams. That's how it's done.
How's it going?
I'm fine.
You look great.
Quiet in class! Uh-oh.
Talk later.
Maybe I'll write a note. There. Now a kiss mark. Mwah. Huh? That looks awful! Ugh. I'll use some lipstick. More on it. Oh yeah. Like that. Oops! That's bad. Oh no!
Hey. Huh?
It's fine, just messing around.
Oh. Shh. Ugh, this teacher.
Darn! What now? Help me! Huh? What happened to your lips? Try to do lipstick. Poor thing. But I know what to do. Just dab lipstick on the sponge. Done. Stop crying. Here. What's this? It's for lips. Really? Let's try. I think it worked. Looks amazing. Psst. Hey.
What? Whoa.
Catch.
Oh, lovely.
This is also for you.
Huh? Oh my gosh.
Oops. Maybe too much. Time to water the plants. Nice. Huh? Wow. Pretty bracelet. Cool. Can I wear it? This one? Nope. Oh yeah? Take this!
Oh, what are you doing? Stop!
Give it. Hey, let go! Uh-oh. What did you do? Sorry. I'll pick it up. It's not working. Guess I'll need tape. Fine. I give up. What? Hands off. This is how you pick up tiny stuff. What a waste. Wait! What? Don't throw it! Why? You can still wear it. How? Look! Like this, see? Not bad. Love the sparkle. Wow! Amazing! Told ya! I've got an idea. Let's put the tape here. And stick on some flowers. Like that. Done! Wow! Cool! Now we both have awesome bracelets! No way! This is hilarious! Look! Aww. What's up? Hello? Not now. Huh? What are you looking at? You like him? Look at him. He's dreamy. Aww. Nice! I'm so happy for you! Let's switch seats. Why? Go talk to him. No. Oh my. Then write a note. Okay. Done. You sure about this? Huh? Let's try again. Ignoring me, huh? Oh, he doesn't care! Relax. Let's take off the glasses. Now go talk to him. Hi. Can you hear me? You okay? Are you asleep? Huh? You jerk!
Huh? What's going on?
Oh, hey.
What do you want?
Wanna go out with me?
Nope. I only date girls with cool tattoos like these.
Huh? But I don't have any. Wait. No problem. We'll make some. What? No! I hate needles! Fine. Wait here. I need stamps.
What you got for me?
Fine. Here.
Nice doing business with you.
Great. Ready for your tattoos? Don't move. Oh, yeah. Let's add here and here. Done. Wow, cool! Now a bandana. And a leather jacket. How do I look? Awesome! Let's test it. Hey!
Whoa! Cool tats! And that look? Oh yeah! Looking good. Wanna go out?
Finally.
Just gotta do a bit of touching up. A little bit of blush will help. Huh, where's my brush? Yep, that will definitely work. She won't even notice it's gone. I'll just stick it on this pencil for a handle. Voila! Homemade makeup brush! Hey, are you ready to go? Better wash my hands. I like how the soap smells. Shoot, it's so slippery. Gotcha! What? Are you kidding me? Come on, soap. I need you to stay in place. No more slipping and sliding. Oh, come on! How did that happen? Okay, there has to be something I can do. The tray, of course. In you go, soap. This is your new home. Jeez. Hey, what the heck? The soap got all melty and gross. Ew, I hate it like this. Gross. I don't even want to use it. It's fine. I'll just get a new bar. But if I put it in the tray, it'll get gross too. Think, Jennifer, think. Whew, that might work. Time to break out the trusty hot glue. A nice rectangle with a gap toward the sink. And I need to add some squiggles too. Just like that. Perfect. Now it's time to wash my hands. New bars of soap are the best! And now the soap can rest right here. It's working! The water is draining off. Now the soap won't get gross or slide into the sink. Problem solved. Go me! This new setting powder is great! And now for my brow pencil. Just gotta fill my brows out some. Whoa! They're totally uneven! I'll just have to fix them. What? I made it even worse! Now I have to adjust this one to match. Ashley, what's taking so long? My eyebrows! They're out of control! What? How did that even happen? It's not funny! I have to start over. It's okay. I'll help you. Here, give me your pencil. The secret is using tweezers, too. Let me show you. Take the pencil and color the tips of the tweezers. Alright, now take the tweezers and use it to draw your brow shape. Huh! Wow, that really worked! Yep, it keeps the top and bottom even. Now just finish shaping and blending them. This is seriously so smart! Wow! They turned out amazing! Thank you for the makeup save! You're welcome! Oh, we're gonna be late! Yay! Bubble bath time! This is gonna be so relaxing. I've got my tablet, so I'm ready to soak. And time to watch my videos. I need my drink, too. This is one of my favorite channels. Aw, my drink's gone. I'll just set this down right here. Okay, now I can pour more Fanta. Ah! My tablet! Where is it? I have to save it! Ah, a nice bubble bath. Can't wait to watch my videos. This could be dangerous for my tablet, though. There's gotta be something I can do. Hey, the clothes hanger. That's definitely the solution. I'll just hang this here and grab a Ziploc bag. It's nice and secure in here. And waterproof. And now it can be clipped to the hanger. Excellent! It's almost like my own private movie theater. With bubbles and fancy straws, of course. Now to watch my videos. Ugh! Everything got soaked! I'm a mess! Look at my hair! And my makeup! Woo! It's really coming down out there. Good thing I remembered my umbrella. Aw, that's not fair! Oh my gosh, what happened? The weather ruined everything! Yeah. Your hair needs some help. Hey! Wait a second! I think I just got a great idea! Look! The hand dryer over there! Put your head under there! This'll totally work. Trust me. Good! That's it! Let it dry your hair! No way! It totally fixed my hair! See? I told you! I feel so much better now. Time for my morning shower. Gotta keep my hair dry, though. And here's my body scrub. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna get nice and sudsy. Okay, that should be enough. Scrub, scrub, scrub! I love clean skin. Oh, I can't reach my back. Come on, I just gotta stretch! Oh, wait, maybe if I use the wall. Nope, that was an utter failure. What if I… Eureka! Come here, glue gun! I'll just make some squiggly lines. Good. And now to add some dots. This is actually a pretty cute pattern. Okay, that should do it. Let's see if this works. Hey, not bad! I'm scrubbing my back without using my hands. What's the worst storm you've been caught in? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. And subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one.
Come on, now slide, slide.